Hello everyone. In this video, we'll find a maximum value from a given number of values using an algorithm. We are not going to use any built-in function or method to find the maximum value. Now there is a function called len, which is short for length, to find the maximum value in a list, but we are not going to use it. So let's see how to find a maximum value from a given list of values using an algorithm. So here you see 5 values: 25, 10, 75, 50, 40. They are neither in ascending order nor in descending order. So we assign these values to a list by name values. Now let's look at how algorithm works. We are going to take the first value, item 1, and the second value, item 2. We compare both. If the first value is greater than second value, then we exchange the positions. Then we go to second value, that is item 2, and third value, item 3. We compare them. If the item 2 is greater than item 3, then we exchange them. Otherwise, we'll choose the item 3. So we'll continue this till the last item. Eventually, the last item is the maximum value. These are the 5 steps in the algorithm, and we are going to use the code. But before we use the code, we are going to see this graphically. So look at the 5 values. We pick up first 2 values, 25 and 10. We compare them. Is the first value greater than the second value? Yes. 25 is greater than 10. So we switch the values, and you can see in the next row 25 is highlighted in blue color. You can see the code for this action on the right side of the video. Now let's move to the second step. In the second step, we take second value and the third value. We compare them. Is second value greater than third value? No. So we don't need to swap the values, and we highlight the third value, which is 75. You can look at the code on the right side of the window. Right. In the next step, we'll compare third value and fourth value. Is the third value greater than fourth value? Yes, true. So switch the values and highlight the new fourth value. So you can look at the code on the right side of this video. Then let's go to the fourth value and fifth value. Let's compare both. Is the fourth value greater than fifth value? Yes. So switch both the values. And the fifth value is the largest value, because fifth value is the last value in this list. So you can see we are able to find the highest value, which is the last value in this particular algorithm. Okay, and you saw the steps. Now let's see the steps in the form of code. So there are 5 steps. First, we create a list of values. Second, we define a function to compare the values, and then eventually, based on the comparison, we exchange the position of the values. And then we write a statement that will call the function, and we also pass the list of values to the function. Function finds the maximum value from the list, and it returns that maximum value. Finally, in the output, we print the maximum value. So number 1, we create a list of values. So we actually assign 5 values to a variable called values. Then we define a function. You can see everything is same except the if statement is under for loop, because we have to do it repeatedly. Then in the next slide, the function will return a max value, which is assigned to max value variable. And finally, the max value will be printed on the screen. So these are the 5 steps, and hope you will try this particular algorithm. All the best. Thank you.